Hello! Today we are going to do a caterpillar. To do it, we need some materials. We need a red piece of paper and a green piece of paper. If you don't have it, don't worry. You just need two different colors. What else? Glue, scissors, and colors. Like this or like this. Whatever you want. First of all, pick the green paper and cut a strip like this, like one finger more or less. Like this, and save it. Okay, here for example. Now you have to fold the paper like this, like your hand, more or less. See? Like this. Like your hand, more or less. Open the paper, and now, not the small piece, not this, but the big one. This big, cut it in strips, like 2 fingers or 1, more or less, from here to the line, okay? Until the line. And the same with the old paper. It's easy peasy. Until the line. And finish. Now, if you fold it again, like this, now you have to, here in the corner, you have to fold the corner like 1 finger, okay? Look at this. Just like this. Like this is enough. Can you see? Just the corner. Just fold the corner a bit. And that's it. Now you have to glue the corner. Prepare the glue and put a little bit of glue in the corner and glue it like this. Ta-da! The same with the rest of the strips. Very, very closed. Be careful here because you have to glue like this. Very closed, okay? Well done. Okay, Now, with the red paper, okay, pick the red paper. So, close your hand like this. The left hand, or the hand which you don't write. Close your hand like this and put it in the red paper, and you have to make a line around like this, okay? Twice. Very good. Like this. A bit like this, okay? Now you have two heads. And now make a line like this and like this. Now draw a smile caterpillar face, or whatever you want. For example, I'm going to draw a happy face just in one piece, not in two, just one. You can use colors, whatever you want. And a very big smile. Now you have the face. Cut it. The two pieces. You have to cut the two pieces. Do you remember the first strip that we cut? Cut it in half, okay? Cut it in half. And pick the head and put it like this and glue them. Glue 1 and 2 like this. Now cut the corner rounded if you want. Tan, 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 tan. Like this, rounded, okay? Now glue the caterpillar head like this. Below, a bit of glue and glue it here. And now the other one is like this. Some glue here and also here in the above part, in the top, down and up, and glue it in the corner and also like this. And now we have our caterpillar.